In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView to invest full-time in Bitcoin and crypto. Beginner's Guide 2025. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, build a clean workspace, analyze charts confidently, and manage trades efficiently using TradingView's most useful features. First, a quick overview. TradingView is a powerful charting platform on web and mobile that lets you track crypto prices in real time, analyze trends with indicators, set alerts for your trade ideas, backtest in PineScript, and even connect to supported exchanges for live trading. Whether you focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, it's a one-stop hub for spot, futures, and long-term investing workflows. Start by creating your account at tradingview.com. Sign up with your preferred method and pick a plan. The free plan is fine to learn, but if you're serious about full-time investing, consider Pro or higher for more layouts, alerts, and faster data. Next, set up your watch list on the right panel. Add symbols like BTC/USDT, ETH/USD, SOL/USDT, and others you follow, and select the exchange feed you prefer, such as Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, or Bitstamp. Organize multiple lists, for example, top cryptos, altcoins to watch, and DeFi, or layer 2 projects, so you can focus quickly. Now get familiar with the chart interface. The top toolbar handles timeframes, drawing tools, and indicators. The left toolbar is where you'll find trend lines and Fibonacci tools. The bottom panel is your trading and paper trading area, and the right panel holds watch lists, alerts, and notes. Match timeframes to your strategy, daily or weekly for investing, 1 to 4 hours for swing trades, and shorter intervals for day trading. Add a few core indicators. Volume helps confirm moves, RSI highlights overbought or oversold zones, MACD shows momentum shifts, and EMA 50 and 200 are great for trend direction and crossovers. You can also view Bitcoin dominance to gauge overall market strength. Keep charts clean. 2 or 3 indicators are usually enough. Set alerts so the platform watches price for you. Right-click the chart, choose Add Alert, set the condition, frequency, and notification type, then create it. This is essential when managing trades on the go. Practice safely with paper trading in the trading panel. Place simulated orders, test stop loss, take profit, trailing stops, and even leverage behavior before risking capital. When ready, connect a supported broker or exchange from the trading panel to place live orders directly on the chart. Level up by studying support and resistance, trend lines and channels, golden and death crosses, divergence, and volume confirmation. Explore community scripts for ideas. If you're advanced, open the Pine editor to build custom indicators, strategies, and backtests. Stay consistent with a trading journal using notes or an external tracker. Upgrade to Pro Plus or Premium for multiple alerts, multi-screen layouts, real-time feeds, and an ad-free experience. Important reminder, TradingView is an analysis tool, not a wallet. Always manage funds through secure exchanges and wallets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.